Hey, what's up? It's Savage. I'm out here today working on my Jeep, and I go inside to take a nap, to take a break, and this happens. Today I was putting on my drag link flip kit from Synergy. I'll do a video on that, but I'm gonna do a video on everything I've done to the Jeep. But first things first, just wanted to show you guys how close I came today to be a shish kebab. Right there's where I normally park. This is where I normally park, right there. Right under that. I moved it over here on the lawn so I could get some shade when I was working on it today. I just cleared out that. Couldn't even see the Jeep. There's another pile over there. Came from across the fence. Well, you guys will. Sorry about that. I don't know why the video cut out. But, let me know if you guys want me to do a video on the rest of the build. And I'll do more videos. So, like, subscribe, share if you want. Later.